So if you are a content creator using exclusively Linux, and I'm going to make a video series all about content creation completely on Linux, stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, and comment to get notified. But if you already are, you are probably running into this issue. Let me show you. So if you are content creation in or creating content using Linux, most likely you are also using DaVinci Resolve, which is a good choice. More about that on another video series. Like and subscribe to get notified. But one of the most common things we do in Resolve is we have this clip here. So I have this clip selected, and I want to duplicate, for example, the video. So I want to copy the video from the video track, from video track 1 to video track 2. I want to create a new track here, and I'm going to put my second video on top. The shortcut is you hold Alt and you drag. But the thing is, in Linux, it happens, this is that Alt allows you to drag the window by clicking anywhere. You can click everywhere, you can drag the window. You don't have to drag it on the title, you can drag it anywhere. So if you hold Alt and you drag with your mouse, you can drag the window anywhere. It doesn't have to be on the title. So Alt is going to interfere in some situations, and in Resolve, it really hinders you the ability to copy the video or audio track. So what do you do? So first, you come here to the, let me show from the beginning. You come to the settings, okay? If you search for settings and system settings here, and I'm using Cinnamon. If you're not using Cinnamon as a desktop environment, find something equivalent. You go here to Windows and Behavior. As you can see here, it's Alt. It's the key that's used to special key to move and resize windows. Okay. So what you do here is you can choose from nothing. That's your own choice to follow. You can keep Alt. Use the super, which is the Windows key, or the Control key. I like to use the super key because I still can pop my menu as always, and I can just hold it, and now I can just use it for the dragging stuff. So which means that now Windows does this dragging thingy. I still have that functionality, which is good to have. I like to have it, but now Alt will behave as normal. Okay, so now you can just drag and duplicate. Okay, so let's unlink this. Let's just use for the video. Bam and bam. So Alt now is doing its purpose on the DaVinci Resolve and other programs like OBS and others that use Alt for this functionality. You don't lose the ability to drag. You can still hold and drag using the Windows key, and the Windows key still allows you to pop the menu. Okay, so watch this video multiple times if you want to recheck what I did. It's a very good tip. I hope you find this useful, because this is useful for all content creators. I hope you find this useful. I hope this came in handy to you if you are using Linux for your content creations, using Cinnamon, GNOME, wherever. It doesn't really matter your desktop environment or desktop manager. Alt will have most likely this behavior. I've shown you how to do it in Cinnamon. And you also have the equivalent on GNOME and others. Just change your the key that is used for dragging, and you can then use the Alt key on Resolve as you always did. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.